Ever thought about the potential customers who visit your website but leave without making a purchase? Can you imagine the possibilities if they were to return and complete their purchase? This is where Google Ads Remarketing comes into play. It's a powerful tool that can bring back those lost visitors, turning them into loyal customers. So, what is Google Ads Remarketing? It's a targeted advertising strategy that allows you to show ads to users who have previously visited your website. It enables you to stay connected with your audience even after they leave your site, by presenting your ads to them as they browse the web, watch YouTube videos, or use mobile apps. Now, how does one set up a Google Ads Remarketing campaign? It's quite straightforward. Here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Get started by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Shared Library on the left side menu, and click on Audience Manager. Step 2. Click on Audience Lists to create a new list. Select Website Visitors as your list type. This will allow you to target users who have previously visited your site. Step 3. Name your audience. It could be something like past visitors or previous website users. Step 4. Set your membership duration. This refers to how long a visitor's cookie will stay in your list after they visit your site. You can set it up to a maximum of 540 days. Step 5. Add a description to remember who this audience is meant to target. Once done, click on Create Audience. Step 6. Now, it's time to create a campaign that targets this remarketing list. Navigate to Campaigns on the left side menu and click on New Campaign. Step 7. Choose your campaign type. For remarketing, display network and search network are commonly used. Step 8. Set your campaign details, including the name, locations, languages, and budget. Step 9. In the Audiences section, select Remarketing, and then choose the list you created earlier. Step 10. Create your ad. Make it compelling and relevant to encourage your past visitors to return to your site and complete their purchase. To summarize, Google Ads Remarketing is a powerful tool that allows you to stay connected with your audience, reminding them of their interest in your products or services. By setting up a remarketing campaign, you can target past website visitors, encourage them to return to your site, and ultimately, increase conversions. Remember, the key to a successful remarketing campaign lies in creating compelling ads, setting an optimal membership duration, and targeting the right audience. So, why wait? Bring back your lost visitors and turn them into loyal customers with Google Ads Remarketing. Remarketing isn't just about selling, it's about building relationships and creating an unforgettable brand experience.